Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to convert video to audio without any third-party apps. So at first, open your browser. I'm using Chrome right now. So if you're using an iPhone, then you can use your Safari. So in the search box, just type video to audio converter. So then just scroll down and click on this link, freeconvert.com. So just click on it, then click on choose files. As you can see, now you can select from your gallery. So for example, I will select a video, so I'm clicking on video. So for example, I'm just using this video from my gallery. So now click on convert. It will take some time to upload. So just wait for it. As you can see, it's converted. Then just click on download. Your audio file is ready, so I'm just downloading it. Okay, I want to download again. Yeah, it's downloaded. I'm opening for you. As you can see, my video file is converted to audio now. You're hearing. Yeah, that's how you can convert a video to audio without any third-party apps. Thanks for watching.